What's going on, guys? I wanted to make a quick video on one of the reasons that may be causing your battery to drain out. As you can see, this device right here, this is a dealership GPS tracker. Most dealerships are now using this to track their inventory. So that could be a reason that your battery is not pulling full power when you crank it up initially, because this little booger right here could be draining the battery. As you can see, I have disconnected the positive and the negative wire right there. And I'm going to scrape this booger off of my battery top because my car is paid for, and the dealership, they love to put these GPS trackers on your car, and after you buy your car, they refuse to take them off because they're lazy. So look at your vehicle, make sure there's nothing on your battery. My battery happens to be in the trunk of the vehicle, so that's a great place to hide this GPS tracker. I was lucky. They do make some that are more difficult to take off, but there are plenty of YouTube videos if you can match up the brand of your GPS tracker and find out how to take it off. This particular one, I forgot the name of it, but they do have videos on YouTube about this particular brand. Another place that you may want to look for a GPS tracker is going to be at this port right here. That port right there. It could have a dummy cover over it that make it looks like the original port. So you want to just give this a tug to make sure there's not another adapter on it. Mine seems to be okay, so I'll leave that alone. Yeah, guys, so I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and get rid of those pesky GPS trackers.